TayRayGun here, and guess what? We just got a bunch of new things dropped on Reddit for Lumibricks. Let's take a look at some of the news that's coming out.
Raygun's Legos, bricks and toys.
Hey toy fans, TayRayGun here. Hey, I am a huge Lumibricks fan. I love a lot of what they do. There's been some sets and stuff that have leaked online. It's actually on Reddit. We're looking at the Lumibricks official page here. And one of the things, and this was about a month ago, and I actually missed this, but we've got a autumn piece here that's under the Lumibricks title. Now, I looked to see if this was older product, and it's not. We don't have a date yet assigned to it, but it is set 16013, 1,557 pieces, 16 and up. And I mean, it's a autumn farmhouse, so it's got some cool stuff. Honestly, this is kind of on my radar. You know, it's got a new arrival part. It's got like a little pig, which I think is absolutely adorable there. And then we've got kind of a picture of some of it. There's like a giant jack-o'-lantern. There's like a farmer's market thing. We've got a tree with a skull on it. I mean, this is like, got some harvest stuff. This is definitely right up my alley. So this is definitely one that's like, you know what? This would be a cool one to have. It looks like an August release is what people are kind of stating down in the comments below. So this is definitely out on the radar. I think this one will be really, really cool. Now, the next thing, this was revealed at Gamescom. So we do have a little bit of update to the Blade Runner 2049 series. So we got the Protein Farm Living Quarters. Now, this is definitely on my radar. All of the Blade Runner stuff is definitely on my radar. I like, the cyberpunk stuff, but I also very much like the Blade Runner stuff. I've been a huge fan. And this could open the door to have potential Blade Runner, like the original 1982 Blade Runner sets type of things as well. So we got the, of course, Sapper Morton. We got Kay here. They didn't change the jacket on Kay, which I'm kind of surprised. I figured they would have done something, but it's same K. I personally think that they should have done the kind of that grayish green colored jacket, just to have that variation. Maybe even like something different with the face or a different type of face turn thing. Lighten the hair, honestly. I think his hair is too dark, but I mean, that's just me. But I do like the way that they dealt with the head for Sapper Morton, with the bald head. And I love that he has his glasses on. I think that's pretty cool. And then we got the street market here, which I think is awesome. This would probably run into any of the cyberpunk sets really well. So I'm glad that they're putting this in. I don't recognize this character. I think this is just a random character, but I don't think it's K. And then we got the creation of the replicant here. So it looks like the bag with the replicant in it. We've got Wallace there, and it's like it's a smaller set that's got some just kind of base lighting in there. I think this one's going to be more of just a small set that has a like a name tag underneath, so just kind of for display. But this one, all of these have been listed so far on the German Amazon, though that doesn't have pictures yet. The Protein Farm, we have seen pictures of. If you have Case Spinner, in the back of the book, there are pictures of the Protein Farm living quarters as well as the tree that gets photographed. So that one, if you have Case Spinner, that will go very well with the Protein Living Farm quarters. So if you haven't gotten the Case Spinner yet, which is actually a pretty solid build, go down the link below. Get one. You can get it from the site. I've got my affiliate link down there. Get one from the affiliate link. Help out the channel. Okay, last thing, we got some new Neon City stuff. Oh, and these look beautiful. As a matter of fact, these look great. Now, the big sets, again, we're still getting very big sets. The smallest set that we have is the Tech Tower that just came out. But we've got some new ones here. This is the Neon Elite Lounge. Now, this would be one of those that's like, at this point, if I had room and I had the money, I would get all the Neon City stuff. put them all together, because you talk about a futuristic city. This stuff, I mean, they look amazing. But we've got the Neon Elite Lounge. It's 17013, 2,167 pieces. This will probably be up in the 150 range, I'm pretty sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 minifigs. A lot of detail. And that's Neon City Cyber. So they're changing some of the logo up just a little bit too, but I think it all goes together. Then we get this. This is the Neon Garden. Now, I don't know if this is to scale with the other pieces, or if this is just kind of a small piece that attaches to, as like, this is a garden that kind of attaches to the other thing. Size-wise, it's not very big. It doesn't seem like it has too much. I don't see a minifig with it. 495 pieces, so 17014. Neon Garden. It's got a thing on it here. Makes me think that this is supposed to be a miniature scale model. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think for this one, if it attaches to other pieces and parts, and hey, this is all together, I kind of feel like, where's the minifig? We should have something that makes it feel like this is a part of this somehow, right? Like that's going to attach to this one. It feels very isolated, and in kind of an odd way. I'm not sure how to feel about that. And then the last one, we got the Manga City, or the Manga Shop. This looks actually really cool. If you got the game shop, I think this would look great next to it. Let's see, 17015, 1, 2, 3. Looks like maybe 3 or 4 minifigs total. We got a tanuki. Well, it's a raccoon, but a tanuki up top, right? I love raccoons. 1,699 pieces, so that'll probably be in like the $100 range or so. It looks really cool. I like the screen thing on the outside. This looks like a lot of fun, like some sort of manga shop, comic book store, maybe an apartment up top. That looks really good. Honestly, this would be one of those, like, I like the izakaya because I like the design aspect of it, and I've got some sets that they kind of teeter between old world housing and some futuristic stuff. I like that look, which is why I like the Blade Runner 2049 stuff. This is on my radar. I think this one would be a fun one. Now, I have the Cyberpunk cars and vehicles. Like, I like those a lot. But this is definitely on my radar. I think this would be a nice one to fit in, because I think it would fit in naturally with a lot of the stuff that I have. As I'm building my little coastal town city, I think that would look really good with the things that I do have currently. So this is definitely one of those that I'm keeping an eye on. I think that would look really, really good. So yeah, that's the news. That's all the things so far. We got the Reveal It Gamescom stuff. We've got the Autumn House, which looks amazing. I'd love to have this with my farm life stuff. And it's actually, I'm trying to look to see if it's got, it just says Autumn Farmhouse. So it is a part of the Farmhouse series. Okay, that I could get behind that. I really could. And then this one, like that looks great. Manga shop. Yeah, Neon City series. There's some really good things coming up that I'm absolutely loving what we're seeing. And, you know, this pushes me more to get this space clean so I can get the city built in here correctly. Or see if I can't just like, hey, can I have the rest of the table that's out here to display more sets? I gotta talk to my kid about that. And if he's like, no, Dad, no, then I gotta honor that. Hey, I gotta honor that. All right, listen, that's all I got. Really great news coming out of Lumibricks. Lumibricks is a great company. Again, you want to help out the channel, get something from Lumibricks, down with the affiliate link in the shop. Really does help out in the long run. I get a small percentage, but those things, they add up over time. Same with the Amazon. It adds up. And have I gotten a lot? No, not at all. But every little purchase helps. And if you have purchased from the shop, I want to say, hey, thank you so much. Listen, we're on our way to getting ourselves to 1,000 subscribers here on the YouTube channel. You can help out by, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, right? But also share this out with other people if the stuff that I'm doing is helping us become better budgeted brick builders and kind of keeps us informed of what's going on. I appreciate you sharing that out and subscribing and helping out the channel as much as you can, okay? Hey, thank you all so much. I'll be seeing you on the brick flip side. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications to be alerted if anything comes from me to you. Comment down below and like this video. It helps YouTube know that you like what I'm making. Want to help out the channel? Be sure to get something out of the affiliate link down below or in the shop in the link tree in the bio. Hey, I love you all. Jesus loves you more. There's nothing you can do about it. Good luck with the build and happy brick hunting.